Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I have a little bit of happy mail that I want to share with you this morning just because we have movers in. As a lot of you know, we're remodeling and putting down some new floor and things like that. So we have some movers in and they're moving things, and guess what? Some of these items that I'm going to be showing you, I don't how do I say this? They got moved by some of the movers and some of the cards got moved off of them. So I'm not sure exactly what come from whom, but I do have the names. So I'm going to just show you what is in the basket, and then you'll know which part you sent. You know, by the time I start to use it, I can't remember who sent it anyway. I just know that it was one of you lovely guys. Now, I do know who sent this because this was come in an envelope on its own, and I had stuck the letter in there. This is from Deborah, and she says that she found this old dictionary in some of her mother's things when her mother passed, and she wanted me to have it. And so I thought, that is so sweet. Look at this. This is, I don't know if this is her mother's writing or someone else's, but how precious is that? Look at that. She's got people's names, their anniversary, their date of birth, all kinds of things on here. Or maybe that's not anniversaries. Part of it I can't read without my glasses, but it's a lot of information on there, and it's handwritten, so that's real sweet. So I wanted to show you that. That's from her. So thank you so much, Deborah. That was so sweet of you. You should not have parted with that. Now, I did get some things from, let me pull some of these things out. I'm just going to pull them out here, and we'll just go through them like that. Okay. First off, I got a really beautiful card. Thinking of you, and this is from Karen. Karen, thank you so much. That is so sweet of you, and look how pretty. I'm going to have to recycle part of this. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to show your address. Hopefully nobody saw that. But how pretty. I will have to recycle some of that. That is so pretty. Thank you so much. And then this one, this is another, let's see. No, that's one that Melina made. See, things got moved so quick, I didn't even realize it. This is from Jody Peterson, and it is another sympathy card to our family. Thank you so much. And Brandon and Melina saw these, and they said, thank you, thank you, thank you. Look how pretty that is. And that, whatever that you cut that out with in the back is beautiful. Gorgeous. You guys do wonderful cards. I'm telling you. All right, let's see. I think this is from Diane, and that's her card. And I think, let me see if this is her letter or if it's this other one. Yeah, this is her letter, and I'm not going to read the whole letters because a lot of this is to me, but she's talking about how she inspires, how I inspire her and that kind of thing. So that's real sweet. Now, a lot of these things I'm thinking came from her. I'm not 100% sure, but look at these. These are little pockets, and they've got little cards in them. She made them that way, and then they've got little pockets on the outside. So isn't that sweet? With the little cards or little tags. That is cute. I like that. And she made a bunch of them, different sizes. That's so sweet. And let's see. I think these are some of the things that she sent. Now, if I get some things mixed up, remember, I'm sorry. I didn't intend this to happen, but it just happened. And let's see. That just says, you making me smile. Isn't that cute? Some more lace and trims. And then, let's see. Here's some more of those little envelopes. Try to pull all this out here. I'm pretty sure these are from her because I have her name stuck in there in the middle. Look at that, how old and vintage that is. Some old stamps. She knows I'm collecting those up. Cute. This is some neat stuff. Thank you. And then, I love you more than coffee. Old, looks like an old postcard. Cute. And then I think, let's see. Let me pull this back over. I'm thinking that was the end of hers, I do believe. Or maybe that came with that. And those. Excuse me. And let's see. I got this. And that's another little card. Diane. No, this is from Tina. Sorry. This is from Tina. This goes with this. That, I'm pretty sure, came from Diane. And that, and I think it was wrapped in that. Let's see. I'm trying to figure this out, guys. Sorry about that. Like I told you, I didn't mean this to happen. It just, they moved some things and the things got mixed up. But I'm pretty sure that's from her. And these are from her, I do believe. Part of this probably was from Alice Bice. So I think part of this was from Alice. So this is from Diane and Alice, these things. Don't know which ones exactly, but from Diane and Alice. So thank you so, so much. That is so sweet of you. And I hate that it got mixed up and I don't know exactly which pieces you sent me, but I love them all. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, I'll lay that right there. Alright, now Tina, and some of that could have been something that Tina sent me. Tina from Switzerland. She sent me this, that little, and then all of these. Isn't that sweet? She knows I love to see anything that has the maps and things on it, so I like that. And then there's a coffee. There's another one. I can't read what that says, but there's that. And let's see. This is looks like an old book page of some kind, music page. And then a little pack of punch outs and little pictures. Looks like some stamps in there. I'm not going to open it all up because it's a lot of good stuff that I'm going to be using shortly, looks like. Oh, that is cute. Little pictures. Thank you so much, Tina. I believe in you. And this looks like she did that watercolor. That's pretty. And then there is a postcard with all those mountains named over there. I guess this is Swiss Alps, I guess. So pretty. Thank you so much. Alright, I'm going to put that there. So that's Tina, Diane, and Christy. I think. Didn't I say Christy? And then, this is the only thing that stayed intact. And it's because it was in this. It was shipped in this. And they didn't pull everything out of here, I don't think. But some things may have fallen out. Who knows? When they was moving. I had a fit after I saw what they had moved. And how they had messed it up, but you know, it was already done. Now this is from, I'll go ahead and pull out the card. This is from Mary. This is from Mary. Thank you so much, Mary. Look at that. That's pretty, isn't it? Very pretty. Alright, lots and lots of butterflies. I don't think I'll ever run out of butterflies. Look at this. Oh my goodness. A ton of butterflies. I'll never use all these up, I don't think. I may have to share some of these with Melina. And some napkins, paper napkins. More butterflies. dragonflies. Oh, those are pretty, aren't they? And then these are rub-ons. Isn't that pretty? Let's see. Oh, a bookmark. That's pretty. So those napkins there. And then this looks like a little journal of some kind, maybe. Oops. Well, it's got tied in a knot. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that knot out or not. Knot out or not. I'm going to try to put it back here. No, I'm not going to be able to. Alright, let's see what we can do. Okay, I ended up having to cut that because I couldn't get the knot out. Sorry about that. Ooh, look at these. Aren't those pretty? Very, very pretty. Thank you. Lots of those. And then, oh, a little notepad in here. Look how cute. That is cute. Thank you. And then a little envelope, and it's got the little tag in there. And then a belly band, looks like over here. Oh no, this is a little envelope too that's put in that way. Another envelope. She's got the same paper. And it's got some nice little things tucked in there. Isn't that sweet? And then up here, she's got more little pieces tucked in. There and there. How sweet. That is nice. And it looks like this is made out of a, it looks like it's made out of a file folder maybe. I think. Yeah. And then it looks like she's, this is embossed, so I don't know if she stamped on that or if she's used a stencil and then stenciled through it. But that's pretty, isn't it? And I think this came on it, I do believe. I think it fell off, but pretty sure that came on there. Okay, I'm going to try to put all these back in this container right here. So thank you guys so much. That's so sweet of you. You do not have to send me anything, but you know that I appreciate what you do send, and I try my best to use as much as possible of everything. So thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, I am going to go, and then I've got a video tutorial that I need to get ready to get up for you guys. Since I didn't get one yesterday, I've got about 3 behind. So we will do what we can today. So thank you so much again. Your happy mail brings a big smile to my face when my husband comes carrying it in. And we will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.